Hey everyone, welcome back to Kwaku Forex channel, where we dive into the exciting world of Forex trading. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our trading tips and updates. Today, we're kicking off a new series designed especially for beginners. Whether you're completely new to Forex trading or just looking to refine your skills, this series is for you. We'll start with the basics and build our way up, learning together and growing as a community of traders. So, let's get into it. First things first, what is Forex trading? Forex, or foreign exchange, is the global marketplace where currencies are traded. It's the largest financial market in the world, and it operates 5 times in a week, which means you can trade at almost any time. Let's break down the basics. In Forex trading, you're buying one currency while simultaneously selling another. Currencies are traded in pairs, like UUSD or GBP/JPY. Each currency pair represents a different market, and understanding these pairs is crucial for successful trading. For example, in the EUR/USD pair, you're trading the euro against the US dollar. If you think the euro will rise in value compared to the dollar, you buy the EUR/USD pair. If you think the euro will fall, you sell it. Now, let's talk about how to get started. The first step is to choose a reliable Forex broker. Look for brokers with good reviews, strong regulatory compliance, and a user-friendly platform. Most brokers offer demo accounts, so you can practice trading without risking real money. Here's how you set up a demo account. First, register with your chosen broker, then download their trading platform. Once you're in, you can start experimenting with virtual funds. This is your chance to get comfortable with the platform and understand how different features work. Trading strategies are also crucial. For beginners, I recommend starting with simple strategies like trend following or using moving averages. These strategies are relatively easy to understand and apply. For instance, moving averages smooth out price data to help identify trends. A common strategy is the moving average crossover, where you look for points where short-term and long-term moving averages cross each other. But remember, Forex trading isn't just about following strategies. It's also about learning from each other. That's why we're building a community here. Share your experiences, ask questions, and support one another. We all start as beginners, and together, we can become more knowledgeable traders. Join our trading community on Discord forum. It's a great place to connect with other traders, share tips, and discuss strategies. We'll also host live QA sessions where you can get your trading questions answered. To wrap things up, remember that Forex trading is a journey. It takes time, practice, and a willingness to learn from both successes and mistakes. We're here to support each other, so don't hesitate to reach out and share your progress. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can stay updated on our next videos in this series. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching and happy trading. In our next video, below are the topics we are going to discuss in details. 1. What is a broker? 2. What is leverage? 3. What are pips? 4. What is spread?